Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the basketball player AI effects on Mivo to improve your photos. So in here, I've already opened the Mivo apps, and if you want to edit yourself into a basketball player, you can just here swipe through the category and find the AI photo effect. Here I'm going to use the AI photo boy. So you can just scroll down until you find the basketball player effects. So there's one in here, two, so you can just explore here. So I'm going to just use this ones right here. So click on the effects. Now click on this button, click to use. Now choose your portrait selfie. Here I'm going to use this one. Now it will processing. You can just wait until the result came out. Okay, so this is it. This is the result. If you want to, you can remove the watermark, but you need to pay for it. But if you want to save it directly, you can just click on this export button, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.